Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Monday night. We have another Amazon unboxing. Just came in UPS. There we go. Nice size box. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It's coming from Tomato Store. It looks like. About to find out what they sent us. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Check them out. Click on the link down below. And here we go. Now one more cut here. And cut over here. Bam. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh. We got some headphones. Got some headphones, it looks like. Bada boom. Wireless style. Is that pink? Rose gold? Ah, here we go. That's black. Alright. B10 or BT08. That's the remote. There you go. Here's all the good stuff. Alright, here we go. How do I open? Right here. Still need the scissors. Here we go. There we go. We got it. And now, boom. Everything comes out. We got the jack right here. 3.5. USB charge. There we go. Nothing else. Instructions. We don't need instructions for these. Pretty simple. Oh, these are lightweight. Really nice. Nice color. Boom. Boom. Alright. It's really nice. Then come on. Focus. There we go. Nice headphones right here. Extended. Bam. Bam. Boom. Let's see what the charge time and all that good stuff is. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Working distance range 10 miles. Charge time about 1.5 hours. Music and talk 7 hours. Standby 30 hours. Pretty good. There's how you pair it. In case you guys don't get your... There's that. Simple to do. Easy to connect. And my next review video, I'll be probably doing it on Instagram. You guys can hear them, how they sound. I'm going to try to figure out how to do that, but it'll be on my Instagram later on tonight. If not, tomorrow morning. Go. Here we go. Alright. So, there you have it, YouTubers. This is the headphones. Not bad, not bad. Alright, you guys have a good night. Be safe, and I think I might see you back tomorrow. If not, I'll see you this weekend. See ya. Oh, sorry about that. I thought I was done, but to figure out one thing, you could just go See right here, the clip, the lash. Boom. They fold. Bada boom. That's how they are. Uh-oh, phone's drunk. There we go. Almost forgot. That's a pretty important part right there. Easy to put in your tote bag, your satchel bag, school bag, any kind of bag. Here we go. Really cool. So there you go. Boom, 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 and boom. Not a bad price. So check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Like I said, hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, have a good one. See ya.